and different plugins, right? And we have discussed about how to create an e-commerce theme also. And I have asked PVP Siddhartha College to give some business ideas, and we will be creating a website. So we have done that. So before going to the topic of today's, I want to evaluate that. I want to check out what is going on here, right? So let's check out your websites now. Should I check out your websites? You people have done some work or not? I hope PVP Siddhartha College has also attended the training. Am I audible and visible to PVP Siddhartha College? Wonderful. Let's check out your site first then. Guys, I'll ask you one question to PVP Siddhartha as well as Good Level Euro College, that you want this topic to be repeated once again, that how to create a website, and do you want me to show a half-an-hour demo for you people how to create a website? Yes or no? What I'll be doing is I'll just take a sample website and I'll create the website according to that. Good Level Euro College people, you also require this repetition once again. See, you will be getting a link from me. I'll be set once you give a proper business idea and number of people, like how Hema is given. Then what I will be doing is I will be sending you, like she has given, like PVP Siddhartha College, that their business idea is flower business. We provide different kind of flower based on requirement of the customers. Business theme, business name is the Enchanted Florist. She has given a name to the business also, and the type of business is they are selling flowers on online, right? So the same thing. So what I have done is I have created a platform to them to create their own website of flowers, florist. So what I have done here is I have given two URLs. The first URL is the user URL, wherein you can see the direct page of them, right? The website of them. The second URL is admin URL, wherein you can log in and do some changes. You can start preparing the website. So what I will be doing is I'll just log into this one and I'll start preparing the website for you. And don't worry, I'll just uninstall it again once I have done this one, right? Let's check out other people also what they have done. Oh my God, same. No changes in this one. They have not even touched this website. So let's not worry about that one. So what I can do is, let me check out once again to whom also I have given this. See guys, one thing what I will tell you is digital marketing is not a theoretical paper or theoretical subject, right? This is totally practical. If you are not able to practice, and WordPress itself is a very vast subject, right? But if you are not able to do practical, or if you are not able to spend time on this one, it is very difficult for you to understand the topics. So practical should be done, and once you do practical, you will enjoy the work also. Otherwise it will be very difficult for you to do the things in future, right? It looks very easy for you, like you can do it anytime, but what happens is if you are not doing practical after listening to theory, you will forget the concept totally. See, we don't have much time to prolong this course here because I want to complete it in 60 days maximum. But your cooperation is very much required for that one. You people need to cooperate to complete it very fast, and I don't want to skip any topics also. I want to give you 100% of digital marketing as well as the way you learn it. You should take it at the end. What I want is you have to take some knowledge from me when the course is completed. You should be in a position to at least develop your own website, and you should be able to do the SEO and adverts and all everything, the digital marketing of your own website, so that you need not wait for others to recruit you or something. You yourself can become entrepreneurs and start your own online business also. But for that you need to work hard. Good. Cake o'clock people, you have done some good job, but you have not taken any theme, I believe. You are using the same theme, right? Don't use the same theme. Change the theme for your information. No, Swachhata Dairy also have not started anything. Guys, please start it. Tomorrow again I will be evaluating this one, and this evaluation will be done by APSSDC also and your college people also. So be very positive on this one. But I like the way Clock Cake has done that one, Clock and Cake, and Florist is also good. But let's start some basic implementation of one website, what I can say, so that it will be easy for you to understand how to do that. Now I will be telling you step by step how to use this website and how to use the plugin, what you should do from the beginning. What I'll do is I'll just uninstall this gemts.org. I hope it should not affect the other one, right? Remove installation. What I'll do is I'll start from the fresh. I thought of taking this topic to you today, that is keyword research analysis. This is the heart and soul of SEO or digital marketing, what you can say. This is a very important topic which will be useful for you throughout your career in digital marketing. If you are looking for serious career in digital marketing, then this is the topic where you should understand very positively, and it is a very critical topic and very important. As I told you that this is the heart and soul of the digital marketing. So the keywords what you are using can make your site or break your site. So I thought of taking this today, but unfortunately the work is not completed, so I have to stop it for today, and I will be just completing today the installation and development process of WordPress. Now what happens is, whenever you are starting your website, what I have given you, it will be coming like this. The website look like this, and the dashboard will be like this. Now what you have to do is you have to first go to appearance. Just make a note of this, write down some notes now today. How to select a theme of WordPress, right? So first go to dashboard and then appearance, then go to themes. In themes, what you can do is add new theme. Now what you can find here is there are some featured themes, there are some popular themes, there are some latest themes, there are some favorite themes, right? So what you can do is you can choose a theme. For example, if I want to make a florist, so what I'll be do, I'll be starting, I'll type some keyword here as florist. So only one theme has come here, right? Now if I have to take a iParty theme, then you will be having so many things. Like for example, if I want to take an educational, right, like for example, let's develop my own site. Like I am doing what now, digital marketing. So I am running a digital marketing training institute, right? So what I'll do is in GemTS, I'll just develop a website which is useful for institutions like me in digital marketing, right? So let's start with theme. Because why I am showing this is, it will be having all the things including e-commerce also. There is one theme called Access Plus, so I am taking that. Now you ask me, how do I get this suggestion ke how you have taken APSSDC store, so you have to do some research. Now how do you do this research is go to Google and type best free e-commerce WordPress themes. Now you can see 25 free responsive e-commerce WordPress themes 2017 color lab, right? So what I'll do, or else you can go for this also, 2017 just free themes. So all the free themes, right? So 30 best free themes are available. Now what I have done is I have gone through this website and I have checked all this one. Like you have this website here, and you have this e-store is there, and you have in cart is there, which you can check out. Like if you want to check out, what you can do is you can check out a live demo. Now this is the how the WordPress site of yours will look like. Now what you have to do is you have to change your photographs and all in this one. Can you see this? Is it good site or bad site? I think so. This is good site. It is having everything here. The people who are using jewelry shop online, they can use this theme. This is very good theme for them. But there is some problem in this one. It is not going properly. Got it? So this is how I do the scrutiny of getting a proper theme. Now fashion and you, some people have taken this, one group has taken this also. So you can check out this one, Sophistic Light. It is a good website, what I can see. By seeing the website you can understand. See all the fashionable things you can see here. And the only thing is you have to change the pictures of this one now. Remaining everything is available for you to customize that one. Even you can use e-commerce here. Even they have login, logout also, right? This is a very good theme, what I can say. So this is how you need to do some research for your theme, and then you can select one out of that one. And if you didn't like it, just take out that one, remove that, and install the next one. If you're not able to do something, it's not customizable more. Sometimes what happen is that sites may not be customizable because these are the free sites, right? Free sites will be having restrictions actually. If you take the paid theme, then you will not have any restrictions. You can do customization as per your whims and fancies. But here, as you are taking the free sites, then they will be having some restrictions. So this is how, here it is that APSSDC store what I have taken. You can see the demo. Now let's close this one. And let's go back here. Add themes. I will activate this theme now. Now what it is telling, these themes recommend the following plugins. This all plugins are required, right? So what I'll do, begin installing the plugins. The theme itself is asking you that to run that particular theme, you require this all list of plugins which should be done. Now what I'll do is I'll select all and say install. It will take 5 minutes time, but yes, we need to have patience for this. Let's evaluate the theme till then. There are two types of header, like this is one header and that is one header. Can you see the difference? It is given here itself. You can check out which header you want to go ahead with. Clear? So let's see what is the right. Now the plugins have been installed. So all these things are activated also. Right, everything is activated also. Now you have understood about one plugin which we have talked in our last class, which we have discussed on that particular plugin, that is called WooCommerce plugin, and we have installed that plugin and made it active. And what we have to do is we have to do the basic setup. Now imagine that I want to give this particular course to US and all. So what I'm doing is I'll just go and configure the WooCommerce. I'll show you. I'm showing you again this one. This is a repetitive class of the last time what we have, because you people have requested me to do this, right? So let's go ahead and install this WooCommerce. If you are not able to understand, please chat with me. I'll go slow also. It is asking you to create some pages here. It will automatically, some pages will be created. Now where is your store based on? I tell India. Which currency do you follow? We follow Indian rupee, right? Currency position should be left, and then you have a separator, then you have a decimal, right? Number of decimals should be like 1500 rupees, 0.00 it should be coming, right? So this all we can skip and say continue. Next you will be having this. Will you be shipping the product? No, I will be delivering the product. I will not charge the sales tax also, because I'll charge service tax for this people, which is included in my fees. Right now, what I will be doing is I'll add a payment option. Continue. Now what we have to do is our WooCommerce setup is over. Then what it is asking is whether you want to create your first product. I'll say yes. I want to create my first product. My first product will be digital marketing. And what I'll be doing is I'll give some description I'll be giving here. And then you have some more details to be entered here. Like we have discussed about the different types of products, right? We have discussed about simple product, we have discussed about variable product, we have discussed about group product, and we have discussed about affiliate product. I hope you people remember that one. So I don't want to get into detail of that one. So I'll say it is a simple product and it is virtual, right? And regular price for this training is I'll charge 25,000, but Ugadi offer is 20,000, 5,000 rupees discount I am giving. Schedule till what time? The offer starts today and the offer ends on 31st. Like, let's go to inventory. SKU, you can leave it as of now. How many people can join in a batch? 10 people can join in a batch, right? Do not allow back orders, do not allow in stock. Yes. Now product description, I'll say 150 total duration, 150 hours practical, theory around 50 hours, practical will be 50 hours. Don't take it seriously because I'm just putting it like that. And then you will be having project will be of 50 hours. But I don't have an image also here. The digital marketing. Let's copy one image now. Clear? So what we have done is we have added one product. In that we have done all this settings of the product also, wherein we have checked out inventory and all, and I have shown you our attributes also in our last product. But here we don't have attributes. Means you have three types of phones, right? If you want to take iPhone, you have silver color, black color, and say around white color. So you can say that, okay, there are three colors and all that attributes you can set here, right? So that all. We don't have anything in digital marketing class, right? It's not in color. The digital marketing class is of digital marketing only. There is nothing to add in that one. So I'll add some category, like this is the new entrant, and say add product category, and say publish. Now what happened? I have installed WooCommerce and I have created a product for that also. Now let's come back to our theme. Now check out what have all happened in this one. Right? Now I have done so many things there, but here nothing is coming. If you can see this theme, it is showing like this, right? But here nothing is coming. So why it is happening? Because I have not set the home page of mine. So what I have to do is I have to go to pages, and I'll say all pages. Let me check out what all the pages are available. Now these are all the pages available. I'll do what, add new, and I'll say home page, and here what I'll do is I'll make it as home page. You can see this one here. You have an options. Oh, sorry. If you can see here, you have an option here, like template, which template you want to make this particular page. What I have done is I am just creating a new page. How I am creating this new page? I have gone to dashboard, go to pages, add new pages available. Once I click on this add new page, I have gone to dashboard, I have gone to dashboard here, then I have gone to pages, then I have gone to add new page, right? And then we have got this. Here I have typed home, and then I have come here and changed the page template. Where is that? Yeah, I'll just erase all drawings. Take it normal. Like page attributes are there. Here what I have done is I have made it as a home page. Now what happened once we are doing this is, then it is asking for no sidebar. You want the sidebar on the left side, right side, or both the sidebars. I say no sidebar is required for me, right? Then I have say publish. So I have published my first page on the particular theme, wherein I'll be accessing the total details. Now check the difference, what happened here. Now what we can do is, this is how we have just created a home page. Now what we have to do is we have to assign this home page to the theme home page. So what we are doing is we are going into settings. You have an option called reading here. In dashboard, I'll repeat again, in dashboard, or else there are two ways of doing this one. Either you can go to dashboard and go to settings and go to reading and make your page static page. This first page should be static, and select front page as home page, right? This is one option. Or else here you have a thing called customize your style. What you can do is you can see the side on the other side and you can customize this here itself. Now general setting, if you can go, you have a static front page. Which one you want to make your static front page, it is asking, right? So it will be your home page. Either you can do it from here or you can do it from there. So I have done from here now. Now you have got some details here. The remaining things have moved out. So what you have to do here now, you can start editing your slide now. Now first thing what you can do is, you have a header call to box. Now forget about this dashboard, everything you can customize this site from this customizing option itself, right? You have to add a widget. One second. So header call to box option, right? So now go to this theme. What is there in header call to box option, right? You have got something here, right? Like phone number and email ID is given here. So we can use the same thing here, header call to box option. But call to action we should not take it here. I have taken the wrong one. Let's come back, add to widget. I'll take as text. What I'll do is I'll just copy this one. Save and publish. Now what I'm doing is I have taken this particular site as my model site, and I'm trying to make my site as completely like this, right? Now what the next thing what we can do here is, we have to upload our logo now. So what I have to do is I'll just go to this one, back here in general setting, site identity will be there, select image, upload a file, select. You have to understand this process what I am doing. If you are not getting it, make a note of this one. I'll go to pictures, I'll say Gem Academy, select. Now it is showing big one. Okay, so this is of Favicon. Header logo is here, add new, say Gem Academy, select. Cropping, we'll use this crop. Now you can go for box layout or full width layout. right? Now you are having triggering settings also here. Let's do it here itself. Here you will be having latest. What I'll do is next batch. I'll say batch. Weekend batch starting from Monday. Weekdays batch starting from Monday. Right? Let's do it this one. We can enable or disable this also. Save. Now what we have done is we have completed this part, we have completed this part, and we have completed this part also. Now if you can see that menu is there, so I hope so we have created some menu here already. This is by default it is created, so we can create a new menu over here. So what I will be doing, I'll be going to menu and I'll be creating a new menu here. So there is no menu, so I'll do add menu. Menu name is main menu. I'll put. Guys, give me 1 second time. I'll just drink some water. Yeah, hello. So let's come back. So what I'm doing is I'm creating some one menu here. Now I have created add menu. Now I can add items also in this one. What I required is I required a home page in this one. I have added home page. I have added my account, checkout, and cart. My account should be under this, cart and checkout should be under my account. Now I can say digital marketing also. And what I can say is I can create one I want to create new project, so let's make it this much only. Now I have assigned that menu. Now you can see that one, it is also changed here. Digital marketing is a product. You can see that one, it has come to you like this. Got it? So we have created the menu also. So now let's come back to this, the main page, and you have, what is that next thing you have here is a slider here, right? What I will be doing is I'll go to slider setting here. Now before that you have header layout also. There are two styles of layout. This is one and this is one. Some black color is coming here. This is without black color. So whichever you like, you can take it. So let me take it like this. This all is not required, so it's getting confused. So let me check out how the site looks like in the So it looks like this, right? So what is there which I don't like here in this site is this gem is already there, and this gem TS and WordPress blog, I don't want this one, right? So what I will be doing is I'll just go to general setting, say site identity, display site tag and tagline is there here, right? It is checked. What I'll do is I'll uncheck this one, save and publish. So what it will be doing is, right, I have removed this one. Now everything is perfect. I have got this, and it is giving welcome admin. Whoever is logging in, the login ID will be of them only here in this particular area. So this is also is perfectly set, and here we have logout, here you have search product. Wonderful, everything is going on good then. So what is the next thing what I have to do here is I have to add a slider to this one. So what I will be doing is I will be going to back, I'll go to this general setting, also I'll come back and I'll go to this slider setting. You have basic slider setting here. Show slider, yes or no? Yes. Show pager, yes. Pager means you have some dots will be available, and show controls, yes. Auto transition, yes. Slider transition should be fade or slide. Fade means it will be fading, or slide means it will be going from left to right or right to left. Show caption, yes. Now this is done. So what I'll be doing is I'll going back and selecting my first slider now. Here it is asking select post for slider 1, right? Select slider 1 button link, slider 1 button text, right? So what I'll be doing, I have shown you in our last class that we can create a post from here. In dashboard you have a post kind of thing, and you can go and add new here. So here you have add new post, and for your kind information I can show you that if you go to youtube.com and if you say access page store tutorial, you'll get everything in this particular video. See, it's a 3-minute video. It will give you an explanation about that one. This is a 11 minutes video. So whatever theme you are selecting, just watch the video of that, how to make it. They will give a proper explanation to you. This is done by Access Press theme only. The theme who is developing, they will only post a video, and some other experts who are reviewing the themes, they will also post this one. So what you can do is you can just go through this one, and you can understand it better also in future. If you are not able, means if something is missed out and if you want to ask it again, then this is the best way to get back the things for you. This will be at your fingertips. Anytime if you have any doubt, you can just check out. So what we were doing, we were just customizing the slider. So what I have to do is I have to add a post. I'll say slider 1. Like you need to have some creative thinking while doing this one, right? So first, what the people want to see, what the students want to see from your website, right? Then if I say, instead of slider 1, if I say expert faculty, and set feature image, we need to add some image. Again, I'll go to now. I'll take this. this looks better for me. So what I'll be doing is I'll take this one as my first slide. I'll say save images, expert faculty. So I'll add a new folder here, GTS. I'll put all this one here and I'll say save. No. Now it is done. So what I'll be doing here is I'll just go to this one, upload, select expert faculty. I'll say enter and set future image. Then I'll say publish. Now here you can go to customize, then go to slider. Here you will be having, so we have to refresh this place, right? Don't reload. First we'll save and publish. Then what I'll do is I'll refresh the page, because just now we have created a post, it won't be available in this one. So what I'll be doing, going to slider setting again, going to first slider. Here you have got expert faculty. Now did you got the slider? You can add a button here. Button link will be contact us, register now, because I am giving the digital marketing studies. So what I'll be doing is I'll say register now, and button link I'll be giving in the contact us form. So for that we need to create a contact us page also. So again I'll go here, I'll go to this pages and I'll add new pages. Which plugin we will be using here? I'll say publish. So we have got a contact us page now. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be adding a new plugin. Contact form 7. I'll say install now. Activate. Now the form, contact form got activated. I have got it here. You can see that this is a new thing which I have got. Earlier it was not available. So what I'll do is I have to create a new contact form. So I'll configure it. Contact us. Then what I required from the details of that one, your name is required, email ID is required, subject is required, your message is required, right? Submit to send. So I'll be requiring one more column here, which is called mobile. So what I'll be doing is I'll take the label like this only. The first line I'll copy. I don't know much about coding, but yes, I can do this basic thing. Here it is having telephone, right? I'll say telephone. This is required. Yes, obviously it is required. Default value, nothing will be there. I'll say insert the tag. Now you have got this. So what I have to do is, if you can see here, label is here, then your email is there. The same way label is here, your email is here, right? So I don't want email here. I want here mobile, right? And then you will be having this label. We can close this one. This is a common sense which we can use, that label, when it is open, it has to be closed, right? So now I'll say save. Now mailing option also we can check out here. To mujahid.digital at yes, your name, corporate, WordPress, right. Everything is perfect. That message, everything is there. Now What we have to do, we have to copy this one contact us wala, we have to copy this code, and what we have to do is we have to paste in the contact page. Say edit, say paste, control C, control V, update. Now for a clarification, we can visit the page also here. It is not added in the menu, so let's go ahead and add it first. Menu, add item, contact us. Automatically add new level pages to this menu. Just we have to click this one. So whenever we are creating any page, it will be automatically added also. That we have not clicked last time. So now if you can see, we have got this contact us page also. Now you can see I have given some name, everything is given. We will check it. I'll say send. Right. Thank you for your message. It has been sent. So even you can do many things here. Like if you can spend some time on this one, you can understand okay, what all you can do here. Like you have text, email ID, URL. If they want, they can insert their website address also, the telephone number, any number, and date also you can insert. Text area means paragraph kind of thing. Then drop down menu also. Like for example, you have genders, right? Genders, male, female, and all will be there. So predefined you can check out. You will be having check boxes, right? If I want to search, ask one more thing here, okay, which year passed out they are, right? I can give a drop down menu telling that 2014, 15, 16, 17, like that, right? So they can select one of that one, like, and if I can have this one, I can give this check boxes or radio buttons or acceptance, then I can say quiz, or I can even put reCAPTCHA also, but for that you need to have the Google confirmation once. Then you can upload the file or download the file, then you can say submit will be here. So these are all the additional options which can be used by you people. I have shown you the sample of only name, email ID, mobile number, subject, and your message. Clear? So let's come back to our slider. We were in the posts. So all post, if I can go here, if I can say edit here, sorry, there is some problem in net. What we are doing here, we are giving some information. So if expert faculty is there, then our faculty is having 15 plus years of experience in right? Go to this one, customize this slider setting, slider 1. No, button text, button link and button text it is asking. Button text will be register now, and button link will be, we will be having contact us link, right? Control C, and I'll say Control V, right? Save and publish. Now I'll go to this one. I'll go to home. Now you can see expert faculty. Our faculty is having 15 years of experience in industry and 3 years of training experience. We had trained more than 3,000 students globally. Now it is showing register now. If I click on this one, it is going to contact us form, right? So that is what we have done now. So we will be, and if you can see this one, the limitations of WordPress free template is, now if you can see here, you are getting everything in white color, right? Your background is also white, and the text is also white, but there is limitation that you cannot change this text color also. If it is paid theme, then they will be giving all this kind of privileges to you to change the font color and all. Let's check out if they have given any kind of thing where I can change the color and all. General settings, if we can check out colors they have given me. Background color is, anyways, this is the color what they have given. I don't want to change that color. Save. Background header logo. Layout setting, no, sorry, they have not given that one. So what I have to do is, if I have to continue for this one, then what I have to do is I have to take the dark backgrounds now. I'll take expert, will remove, will say just faculty. Now if you can check out, I have shown you in Google search how to check out the searches also. I want dark color. All the faculties are coming here. So I say Baapre. If I can check out, I'll say any color, then I'll get more things, right? Now this one is good. I can use this, right? White is visible on this. So let's go ahead and use this. Save images. What I'll be doing is expert faculty. I'll be remove future image. I'll be adding set future image. Upload. Select file. This one. Now you have to make a note of this one. You will be having one specific dimensions of this photos to be placed. What happens is otherwise it will be uneven while transition. If the sliding is there, then it will be uneven, which won't look good. What I have to do? I have to do update. Now let's check out. Looks good. At least it's visible now. Now you have add slider. Like that you can add 3 more sliders. I don't want to waste the time here by adding that all sliders. I'll add one more here, but for that I have to create a post again. So So I don't want to use that slider again. So one I have added, I know I have shown you how to add that one. In the same way, similarly, you have to select a post, first create a post and select a post. So different themes are having different kinds of slider. So what, according to that, yes, you will be having a documentation of this theme. Like for example, everything will be having documentation. Like this theme is there. This is having a documentation here. If I take it on a right click and say load, I can see the documentation here. Like demo, theme details, get support, video tutorials, by theme, more themes, right? So now it is giving total requirement. What are the plugins required? This is, and how to install this one. You have to do like this, and you can install this one. Then you can go. You can do this. There are ways of installing. Then configure header. That's what I have shown you. How to configure your header. There are two types of header. One you can configure that one, right? Setting up your promo trigger. This one is showing you each and everything, which steps you will be having this, right? So you can use this theme to set up this particular thing. Like how to set up home page, we have done this, right? We have created a home page, and we have done this one, and we have say update, and then we have gone to static page, reading, settings, reading, and then we have made it the same way. Everything is visible to you, and how to add products, how to remove products, everything is available for you in this documentation. So you can just go through this documentation also. So not only this theme, but all the themes are having this documentation kind of thing. Maybe they won't be having video tutorials, but yes, they'll be having documentation also. Now let's go to widgets. Now what is there here? After the slider, they have this display of this products here. So what we can do here is header callout. Header is already done, so we don't want to disturb it. Now you have promo widget 1. So add one, add in this one. Now you can show this as this one, or else what you can do is you can use this proper widget for this one. Only thing is you need to understand which widget to be used and when it is to be used. I'll remove this, add widget. Now if I am having this doubt, right, which widget I should use it here, what I have to do is I have to simple go to important links here. I'll do documentation. This is open. Design layout. No, it is also not showing that one. Actually, this design we have to create with our what you can say creativity now, right? It has given all this configure product listing widget 2. Now which widget is this now? This widget we require, right? Configure promo widget 1. So now you have here, if I go there and say widgets, promo widget 1 at promo widget. I'll take this image only. Save and publish, right? So what I have done is I have added one product here. Now it is showing you digital marketing and register now. So like that, what you can do is you can add another two products. I can say add widget, promo widget, and then I'll go title SEO. What I have to do is I'll go here, I'll say SEO. Let's select this. Save image, SEO. Customize it, upload a file, upload, select SEO, select. Description you can enter here. Button text is REGISTR, register now, and link is contact us. Save and publish. Now you can check out that we have added two. So now what happens is whenever you are doing this images and all, you have to take proper images here. It should not be big and small, right? So what you can do at your end is for that matter, for example, if I have this, oh my god, where do I save this? So what I have done, what I can see here is, see if you can select this one, the dimensions of this is 700 into 638 pixels, right? And if I select this one, it is 277 into 182. I can open this one, because if I open this and make it big, it will become blur. What I'll do is I'll change this to this one. Now it is 277 into 182. Just remember that one. If you can see it here, where I'm saying this one, it's here. Dimensions. Any Windows laptop, you can check out there itself. No, what I'll do is I'll right click it, edit. You all know how to use paintbrush, I believe. I'll copy this one. I'll say resize. I'll say pixel. I'll say 277. Or else I'll say what was that? How much was that? 182 and 277, right? I'll take 182 because vertical should not be different. Horizontally, if it is here and there, it will be okay. I'll say okay. Control A, resize pixels 182. Right, now you can save it. What you can do is you can go to this widget and change that. Again, you have to upload that one. Select file, this one. I can say select. I'll say publish. Like that, you can change this one. It is not changed properly, but if you know Photoshop and all, you can do it much better. But here I have done it through using this only this one paintbrush, which will not give 100% result to you, right? So let's come back to this point. I can create another one the same way. Yes, I'll be taking a bit late today, probably another half an hour I'll be taking, so you need to bear with me. If you want, I can take that one. People from Gudlaveluru College and PVP Siddhartha College, you want me to continue for another 20-25 minutes and complete this one? Will you wait for that time? Now, next widget what you will be having is product listing widget. Now you can go here, add a widget, and you can use this full width product. Let's see what was there in there. Now you have hot sale new arrivals are here now. So what I can say, I don't have hot sales or new arrivals. I cannot use that one in an education institution. I'll say popular products. This I don't want. The same way you can add one more widget and you can complete this section at least. And I'll complete that one anyways. SMM. Oh, I have used this one, right? Not in this actually. Remove. Okay. So good level people, you will be having some problem, right? No problem. Fine. Anyhow, you have not created the groups also. So good level people, you can leave. But PVP Siddhartha, if you don't have any problem, you can stay back for some time. I'll be completing this. And anyways, you people are getting the videos, recording videos of this one. I have shared with Ajesh and all, so you can collect it from them also. The recorded videos are also available. All the sessions you have the recorded videos. You can collect it from Ajesh or any people from APSSDC. So till what time you will be okay? Good level 0 people, you can sit in the class. Whenever you are getting late, you can leave it, no problem. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be adding another two products here. Let's go to this WooCommerce and add some products. Sale price I'm not giving anything because I'm just giving this product. Enable stock here. 10 people can join, right? Some descriptions I have to give. I have to give it is total TOTL, total DUR duration is 60 hours. Theory 20 hours. Theory 20 hours, practical 20 hours, and project 20 hours. It's a virtual product, doesn't require anything. So what I'll do is I'll say new entrant, publish. Now what else I have? I have another product as social media marketing. I can give some description here. It is also new entrant. What I'll do is I'll set product image. not available there, then we'll go to here, we'll open a new tab. Search. Now we have launched 3 products now. So what we will be doing is we will be using these 3 products in different aspects now. Now let's see what happened here. Now once it is done, it is having a product wise setting here. Now it has included some products here. So we will include this kind of setting in our website now. Now what we have done is we have created this header, everything is done. Then we have changed the slider. Then we have created some products here in this one, and then we are creating product carousel. So we will go to this one, widgets, then a product listing, add a widget, WooCommerce product carousel will add. Select a product category, new entrant. Only 2 products are there. Update, and we can go to 1 second, just hold on. Some messages are coming from that time. Yeah. So what we are doing is we are we have done this. Then we can go to products. Now this 3 are new entrants, right? We can just check out this one because this will come under featured one. Check this star marks, it will come under featured one, featured products. There is some mistake we have done here. We have taken this image as product gallery image. So we will remove this one and we will set it as product. Set image. And say update. Sorry. Now we will say update once again, and we'll go to this our page, which is a home page of ours. Then we can see here we have got slider, we have got this products also we have got in place, and we can just do refresh once again so that we will get the. Actually, we have not published it. Fine. That's what I was wondering, why it is not coming. Now you can see the next product which is coming is social media marketing, search engine optimization. These 2 are coming. Now you can see add to cart button also has come to your products now. Can you see it here? You can either add it to wish list or you can do it to add to cart. Now I'm not getting one point here. If I'm talking about this one, this is also in the new entrant. Customize it. So category image is not there. Right align with category image. Save and publish. Let's go here. Got it? So like this, you can add some another two products. What I'll do is, I'll just duplicate the products once again. I'll say duplicate. Only thing is, I'll just change this image of this one. So I'll say remove image, and I'll say set product image, and I'll check out if I have any images of this one. Like in pictures, I need to have something. Or for example, if I'm giving a HAD Hadoop training also. Just giving only two, right? Customize this and top products. We can get it back. Select the display style elimination. Social counter, Instagram. Now remove this one. This all is there. That is what I told you, right? That very important thing is you need to understand which widget to be used. We were using a wrong widget there, so now I can say popular popular courses. Now you need to take the category, which one you want to check out. If I say featured products, new entrants, how many number of products you want to check out? I want to check out 4, right? Now I can say save and publish. Now guys, you can check out here, the things will be changing. You can see now one new thing is come here, and you can check out this one. So what we have done is we have completed this also. Now you have a banner kind of thing here, which we need to do it again for this one, right? So let's use customize again, go back, and you have this one we have done completed. I'll just mark this one, take a pen. Call is completed, promo widget is completed, product listing is completed. Now what we have to do, we have to take in another promo widget, right? Now what we are doing, we are trying to create this kind of this one for us. So what we can do here is we can go to customize, go to product widget, add widget. You will be having a full width widget, right? I will be taking this one. Title, now I can say best digital marketing training institute. Upload an image, upload files, select. What happened? Now you can say save and publish. So you have got this. This is also you have got. Now you can see here you are having select full width style. There are 2 styles which are available, style 1 and style 2. If I change the style 2, then it is coming like this. The photo will be coming here and the remaining text will be coming here. Subtitle is like what you have. You have one title, one subtitle, and some description is available. So the same way you can also give here subtitle, join today to your way to corporate world. Now what we can do is we can check out, sorry, this one, right? We'll copy some text from somewhere. I'll copy this one because I don't want to write any description here. So I'll copy this one. Promo button text is everywhere is the same. Register for free demo. Got this one, and you can see, oh, it got such a big one, right? So I don't want much description here, or else I can take out this description. It's very big paragraph we have taken, I believe. Let's remove that one and save this. Right? Now it's perfect. Now what we have done is we have cleared all this thing. Now we have done this, right? But we have only 4 products, right? So we cannot display multiple times now. Now, for example, if you have say around 100 products or 10 to 20 products also, then you can display it here. Like how you're displaying number of widgets, you can go on adding this one. Like again, it will be having product listing here, right? Add widget, you can add n number of widgets now. Got it? So this is how we have done this one. Now what else is there? YouTube also you can integrate. How you can integrate is you have to use the widget. Now video call to action is there. Now add widget. Access press full width widget. Call to action with video. Now you can add this. What it is asking you? Title. I can say why digital marketing. Right? Description. I don't want to give any description at this point of time. Or else learn from the leaders. Background file, if you want to give anything, you can give this one. Video frame also you can do one thing. But that files will be big. So what I'll be doing is I just want a small file. Digital marketing, right? We'll be using this one.
You need a website.
I'll take this. Control C. Customize. What is that? Watch now. right? You can use this. Check your theme now how it is. Watch the video now, and you can change the digital marketing. This I have taken as a wallpaper. I have taken actually, so you can take this proper image so that it will be looking good. Like how they have taken here is, and they have taken here image here also. But this image also we can take out, that we have to put it here in frames. I'm taking this image. Right. Fine. That's how you can add this video also for your blog, right? So let's go to the next product one. Like for me, this much is okay, right? I don't have much product, so I don't. Again, the same thing. What they have done is they have made one banner, one page, that full page widget they have taken here. Again, here they have taken a half page widget and a carousel here. Now, this one is very important, right? I can highlight something here. So, we will try to create now this one. Go back. Promo widget, add widget. You will be having a icon text box here. Take this one. Title is, I'd say 24 into 7 on demand support. Now you can check out what is customer support. I can use this, right, for customer support, or I can use any. What I can use for customer support is I can use chat symbol, right? And here I can say no, and I'll take this link. Seven publish. Now you got it. 24/7 on demand support I will give. What else I can give? I can give another add widget, icon text, expert faculty. I'll put it here again, or I can say EXCLLE, excellent curriculum. Content I don't want to give at this moment. I'll use this something. See, I'm not using something relevant, but I just want to show it to you. That's why I'm just keeping this. 7 publish, and I'll do one more widget. So what we have done here is we have taken two things. on demand support, excellent curriculum, and yeah guys. So that's how it is now. Right. So now after creating this one, they have a column called footer here, right, wherein they have given contact information, sign up to newsletter, and follow on Twitter. They have given pages, they have given, right. So the same way I can also prepare the theme footer here, right, but which is very important for us to create a footer. So once we create a footer, our theme will be done, our website will be ready. Add a widget. And what should I use to type an address? I'll be using text, right? Let's see what is there. I'll just copy paste this one only. Contact information, I'll take it. I'll just contact information. Then where is it here? Yeah, it's here. No, I'll just copy all these things. Control C. Now what is there in footer information? Footer to sign up for a newsletter. Now you can check out, there is a proper what you can say is proper this one plugin here or a widget which will tell you how to newsletter subscription. There is one email subscribers. Widget title is Control V, sign up for a newsletter. Or else we can go here and check out set up footer. Call to action widget is there. Call to action widget description. This is footer to access. Footer one. Call to action. Let's check out. Footer one. Call to action is there. Widget. Let's check out if anything is available like that. Call to action is there. Title is contact information. We can use it like this. Then what button is given here? So access plus. Customize description, you can give it here. Let's delete this. 7 publish. Got my point? Here we have used newsletter, but let's see what they have used here so that we can replace that with the second sliders. Set sub folder. Guys, 1 second, just hold on. Hi Karthik. The class is extended actually. I'll be there in next 15-20 minutes. No problem, no problem. Fine, fine. Just give me a call once you reach here. Right. Okay guys, let's close it as soon as possible because I have done everything pertaining to this slide. So I think so you people also getting late. So now if you can check out here, we have done everything here, right? All the things we have set up. Right, contact information is there. This one also is here. Now we can check out follow on Twitter and pages also. Now I'll immediately, means very fastly, I can show you without explaining you people. You can just check out how I am doing this one. Pages. What else they have done? Follow on Twitter. We cannot follow on Twitter, but yes, on fourth one, what I can do is add a widget. I'll add any widget of my choice here. Let's check out what we can add. What I'll do is I'll add some search here, right? Right. So you can see that the footer is also in a place now. Now this is the end of our site. Our site is very much up to date now. You can check out everything is working in this one. Right. So let's close this one, this topic today. So this is what the website is all. You can just go home and check out this website, www.gemts.org. What all we have done, it's already updated in this one. Right guys, thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow again. Bye.